Welcome to Melon Kids and Learning TV. Let's learn and have fun.
Plates. Bright and playful placemats to make mealtime enjoyable. Bowls. Smaller bowls suitable for kids' portions of cereal, soup, or snacks. Forks. Ideal for picking up and eating solid foods. Chopsticks. Child-sized chopsticks for learning to eat Asian cuisine. Sippy cups. Spill-proof cups for younger kids transitioning from bottles. Spoons. Smaller spoons for kids to scoop up their food. Napkins. Fun napkins with colorful designs for wiping hands and faces. Water glass. Quench your thirst with water or other beverages. Salad tongs. Toss and serve salads neatly. Dessert fork. Enjoy sweet treats elegantly. Spatula. Used for flipping pancakes and stirring ingredients. Whisk. Great for mixing and whipping eggs or batter. Measuring cups. To accurately measure ingredients like flour and sugar. Measuring spoons. Used for precise measurements of spices and extracts. Mixing bowl. For combining ingredients when baking or cooking. Cookie cutter. Shapes cookies and sandwiches into fun designs. Rolling pin. Helps roll out dough for cookies or pastries. Cutting board. Used to safely cut fruits, veggies, or dough. Knife. A kid-friendly knife for slicing soft fruits and veggies. Peeler. Removes skins from vegetables and fruits. Colander. Drains pasta or washes fruits and vegetables. Potato masher. Mashes potatoes and other soft foods. Grater. Grates cheese or vegetables for salads. Tongs. Used to pick up and serve food like salad or pasta. Pizza cutter. Slices pizza into manageable pieces. Strainer. Drains liquids from canned goods or cooked pasta. Pastry brush. Spreads butter or egg wash on pastries. Muffin tin. Bakes delicious muffins or cupcakes. Cupcake liners. Decorative liners for cupcakes and muffins. Ladle. Helps kids serve soups or stews. Ice cream scoop. Scoops out ice cream by uniform portions. Silicone baking mat. Non-stick surface for baking cookies. Cookie sheet. For baking cookies, biscuits, or other treats. Mini pie pans. Cook small portions of eggs or pancakes. Decorating kit. Decorate cakes and cookies with fun designs. Mini waffle maker. Macca's small, kid-sized waffles. Pasta maker. Roll out and cut homemade pasta. Mini food processor. Chop, blend, or puree ingredients. Melon baller. Scoops out fun melon balls. Butter dish. Keep butter soft and ready for spreading. Teapot and cups. Host a pretend tea party. Juice squeezer. Make fresh fruit juice. Toaster. Toast bread for sandwiches or breakfast. Mini frying pan. Cook small portions of egg or pancakes. Rice cooker. Make fluffy rice for meals. Stove. Stoves are used to cook delicious meals, boil water, etc. Refrigerator. The magic behind keeping our food fresh, maintaining a chilly temperature. Dishwasher. It cleans dirty dishes, pots, making kitchen cleanup a breeze. Microwave. It heats and cooks food, making it a convenient kitchen application for busy moments. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.